We're here out in the field today with a bunch of amazing companies throughout Project Naama.
The Naama project.
Companies are moving forward in the drone space.
Naama project is running for 1 year now. We are in Beersheba area. Till now we have in Naama, I think at least 12,000 flights in urban areas. More than 5 companies flying at the same time, at the same airspace. To do that you need a parachute, you need good connectivity, and with Hello connectivity and now with 5G, I think we're able to fly and communicate with different platforms that flying at the same airspace.
Elsight helps us with the connectivity to the drones all over the mission. Our tech and copter fix do a delivery with the drones from the takeoff through the nav plan and landing.
The Elsight system with the 4 SIM cards during the flight could each time get the antenna that is the strongest and let us have the communication all the time during the whole flight.
We are working with Highlander and Elsight, and we are doing the platform and the best solution that's based on the Elsight technology, the one of the best communication solution that we get, and the software for Highlander. Together we integrate everything and we fly different drones for a different mission.
The Elsight is in charge to be the primary communication system into the drone. We are here flying the drones for Naama project. Copterpix is a company which designs and produces drones.
As part of Project Naama, we've been showcasing 2 new features, our 5G support and the remote ID. We're talking lower latency, higher bandwidth, higher quality of data and information in the Elsight Halo. That's what you're using to get your 5G support. We've had a lot of success, a lot of excitement on how it's been used, this Project Naama. Overall, this is just an amazing show of force for what the future for the drone market can be.